cloudy with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 50s. Sunday, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs around 70. Sunday night through Tuesday, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s. Highs around 70. Now here are the area lake levels. Bull Shoals.
Here we go.
The preceding was a test of NOAA weather radio station WXL 46's warning alarm systems. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests are normally conducted by NOAA's National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 12 noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the first good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary from place to place. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the following counties: Christian, Dade, Dallas, Douglas, Greene, Requierd, Lawrence, Polk, Stone, Taney, Webster, and Wright. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning System. We now return to normal programming. The weekly weather radio test will be conducted today between 11 a.m. and noon. This is the time to ensure your radio is in good working order. If you have questions or concerns, please call the National Weather Service at 417-869-4491. The current time is 11:05.
That was awesome. Take a look at this. Required weekly test. This was the second time I first captured this on film. So, do you guys like it? It's really awesome. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching. If you want more videos, please subscribe and comment down below. Alright, guys, see you.